In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to auto-align layers in Photoshop CC step by step. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're working with multiple photos that need to line up perfectly, whether you're creating a panorama, doing focus stacking, or correcting small camera movements between shots. The best part is, Photoshop can do most of the hard work automatically. Make sure to watch until the end for a quick tip if the auto-align option is grayed out. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the images you want to align. You can do this in a couple of ways. You can go to File, then Scripts, and choose Load Files into Stack if you want Photoshop to automatically place multiple images into one document as separate layers. Or you can manually open your images and drag them into the same document. The important thing is that each image must be on its own separate layer inside a single Photoshop file. Once you've done that, open your Layers panel so you can see all your images stacked on top of each other. Next, we need to select all the layers we want Photoshop to align. In the Layers panel, click on the first layer in the stack, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last layer. This will select everything in between. You should now see all the layers highlighted. If you only select one layer, the auto-align feature won't work, so double-check that multiple layers are selected before moving on. Now that your layers are selected, go up to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Auto-Align Layers. As soon as you click that, a dialog box will appear with several alignment options. In most cases, you'll want to choose the Auto option. This is the recommended setting because Photoshop will analyze the content of each layer and determine the best alignment method automatically. It looks for similar details, edges, and patterns in each image and lines them up as accurately as possible. You'll also notice other options like perspective, cylindrical, reposition, and more. Perspective is useful when you're working with images taken from slightly different angles. Cylindrical can help when building panoramas. Reposition simply moves layers without stretching or warping them. But again, for most situations, Auto works perfectly fine. Once you've selected Auto, click OK. Photoshop will now begin analyzing the layers. Depending on the size and number of images, this may take a few seconds. You might notice the layers slightly shift, rotate, or even warp a little. That's completely normal. Photoshop is adjusting each layer so that similar elements line up precisely. When the process finishes, your images should now be perfectly aligned. This is especially helpful for panoramas, where multiple landscape shots need to connect seamlessly, focus stacking, where you combine sharp areas from different photos, or even fixing small handheld camera movements between shots. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. If the Auto Align Layers option is grayed out and you can't click it, that usually means you only have one layer selected. Go back to the Layers panel, hold Shift, and make sure you highlight at least 2 layers. Once multiple layers are selected, the option should become available. And that's it. That's how you auto-align layers in Photoshop CC quickly and accurately. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.